Super hyped, super impressed. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna give some love to the Mark V. Now we just did a Mark IV speaker upgrade, and today we actually have the same treatment for the Mark V. Our friends from Bavsound just stopped by and dropped off their whole entire speaker replacement kit for the Mark V. And the reason why this works so well is because they mainly specialize in BMW products. So if you guys like what you see, head down to their page down below and check out some of the products they have for the BMW world. But as you guys know, the Mark V Toyota is built entirely by BMW, which means that it uses BMW speakers, it uses the same amp, uses the same everything. So we have a complete 12 speaker replacement, including these subwoofers to go in the whole entire car. Here's an example of the tweeters, and as you can see, they're wired nicely, and they're gonna have these same clips that the car already comes with. So there's no wiring to be done, it's literally all plug and play. So we're gonna start off in the rear of the car. Cal, tell them why we're gonna start off in the rear of the car.
Always start in the back. Whole speaker box has to come out.
So we're gonna start pulling panels from here, while Calvin is pulling panels from there. So we have two speakers right there, which are our subs. We have two speakers right here, and there's one right here, but the lighting's kind of bad. So I'm gonna start pulling some panels here, and to show what all the other speakers are, we have a tweeter, we have another one right here, and then there's also another set of speakers right here behind the nav. So we're gonna go ahead and start pulling panels from everywhere.
You undo those bits and pop that biznatch out.
We've removed both of the rear speakers. Stock speaker is out. We're gonna go ahead and toss in a new Bavsound one. Wow, just off the bat, this one is about 3 times the weight. So it's a drop-in replacement. I'm just gonna go ahead, throw this back in, bolt it up, and throw it back in the car.
So once you have both sides taken out, make sure you don't install the speakers. As you can see, it's sitting right there, because you need to remove this subwoofer enclosure. Basically, all the panels you remove are in the way. You just pull up on every corner of it. It pops out, super simple. 4 screws on each subwoofer, plug and play, we're done.
Oh my gosh, that is so dinky compared to this one.
A little pancake.
All right,
Okay.
there you go. Did you plug it in? All right, as Calvin's putting back that interior, I'm moving on to the door panels right now, and we can just swap out the speaker right here, and then the tweeter is right here. Out with the old, in with the new. All right, so every speaker in this puppy has been replaced. So Calvin and I are gonna do a little sound test here.
Sounds good. It's okay, so something that I noticed, the highs are not ear piercing anymore.
The highs are like really clean and pure.
Yeah, like before it would really hurt your ears when high notes come on. But I think it's a better rounded sound. I need one.
Sounds good.
Sounds really good.
Super hyped, super impressed. Just want to say thank you Bavsound for sending out the stuff. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna link all the stuff down below, so if you're interested, check it out. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out.